In this video, I'll show you how to install a Shopify app on your laptop. First, it's important to know that on a laptop, you usually install Shopify apps through your Shopify admin in a web browser, not by downloading a desktop program. Shopify's Help Center says apps for your store are installed from the Shopify App Store, and your Shopify admin is the place where you manage them. So start by opening your browser on your laptop and signing in to your Shopify admin. Shopify says you can access your admin directly from a desktop browser by opening your store URL and adding /admin at the end, or by signing in normally through Shopify. Once you're inside, go to Settings, then Apps. From there, click Shopify App Store. Shopify's official app guides show this as the normal path for installing apps from a desktop computer. Then search for the app you want, open its page, and review what it does, how much it costs, and what permissions it needs before installing it. When you find the app you want, click Install. If the app has a recurring fee, free trial, or one-time charge, Shopify may ask you to approve that before the installation finishes. Shopify also notes that users need the proper permission to manage and install apps, and a separate permission may be needed to approve paid app charges. After the app is installed, it will usually appear inside your Shopify admin menu, where you can open it and complete the setup. Some apps only need a quick connection, while others may ask you to choose settings, link an external account, or enable certain features inside your store. Shopify explains that apps add extra tools and services directly into your admin. One more thing to remember: this is different from the Shopify mobile app or Shopify POS. Shopify's official docs say the Shopify mobile app is for iPhone and Android, and Shopify POS is also not available for laptop or desktop computers. So if your goal is to install an app for your store while using a laptop, the correct method is through the Shopify admin in your browser. That's how to install a Shopify app on your laptop. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.